Did you know that chronic kidney disease affects over 1 in 7 adults in the United States? Maintaining kidney health is vital for the overall well-being of the body. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste products, balancing fluids, and managing blood pressure. Certain fruits, due to their nutrient composition, may significantly bolster kidney health. In today's video, we will talk about 10 fruits that you may easily add to your diet, which will protect your kidneys. Each fruit selected is packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and flavors that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also provide a multitude of benefits aimed at supporting and protecting your kidneys' vital functions. Stick to the end of the video, and we will tell you about a few foods that you need to avoid to save your kidneys from damage. Let's get started. Apples are a boon for kidney health, intricately woven into the fabric of holistic wellness due to their rich composition. An apple is a healthy snack that contains an important fiber called pectin. Pectin may help reduce some risk factors for kidney damage, such as high blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Apart from that, the phytochemicals found in apples, including flavonoids and polyphenols, have anti-inflammatory properties. Since chronic inflammation may contribute to kidney damage and worsen kidney disease, consuming anti-inflammatory foods like apples may help protect the kidneys from further harm. The magic doesn't end there. Apples are also low in potassium, which is crucial for those with kidney issues, as high potassium levels may lead to complications in those whose kidneys are not fully functional. By maintaining a balance in potassium levels, apples ensure that the kidneys are not overburdened, promoting their overall health. 2. Red grapes. Red grapes are a kidney-friendly powerhouse, packed with nutrients that specifically bolster renal health. The journey to kidney wellness begins with their high antioxidant content, particularly resveratrol and flavonoids, which fight oxidative stress in the kidneys, a common precursor to chronic kidney diseases. This antioxidant shield not only prevents damage, but also supports the repair mechanisms of kidney cells. According to animal studies, the daily intake of whole grape powder reduces the progression of kidney disease. Additionally, red grapes contain flavonoids, which contribute to reducing blood pressure and improving the overall cardiovascular system, indirectly supporting kidney function. Healthy blood pressure levels are essential because high blood pressure may strain the kidneys, leading to kidney damage over time. The potassium content in red grapes also plays a role, as it helps balance fluid levels and assists in the elimination of excess sodium, thereby easing the load on the kidneys. Resveratrol in red grapes is also known to improve blood flow by helping to relax the blood vessel walls. Better blood flow ensures that the kidneys receive an adequate blood supply, necessary for filtering waste from the blood effectively. However, moderation is key. It's generally recommended to limit grape consumption to a half cup per day, equivalent to around 16 grapes, to enjoy their benefits without overburdening the kidneys. 3. Cranberries. Cranberries support kidney health primarily through their unique compound, proanthocyanidins, which prevent the adhesion of bacteria, such as E. coli, to the urinary tract and bladder walls. This action is particularly beneficial for the kidneys because it reduces the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if left untreated, may ascend to the kidneys and lead to kidney infections or pyelonephritis. Moreover, cranberries are low in potassium, which is particularly advantageous for individuals with compromised kidney function, as their kidneys struggle to maintain potassium balance, leading to dangerous levels in the blood. By incorporating cranberries into the diet, patients may enjoy flavorful nutrition without the risk of elevating potassium levels. Furthermore, consuming cranberries may help reduce the risk of certain types of kidney stones. Cranberries decrease the urine's calcium and phosphate concentrations, Components of the most common type of kidney stones, calcium oxalate stones. However, it's important to note that for individuals prone to forming other types of stones, such as those composed of uric acid, consulting with a healthcare provider is recommended, as cranberry intake may need to be monitored. A daily consumption of 1 small glass of unsweetened cranberry juice or half a cup of fresh cranberries is sufficient without overloading on sugar, maintaining optimal kidney health and overall well-being. 4. Cherries. Cherries are a sweet ally for kidney health, offering multiple benefits through their nutrient-rich profile. They start their beneficial journey by being loaded with antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, which not only give cherries their vibrant color, but also combat oxidative stress in the kidneys. This stress, if unchecked, may lead to chronic kidney diseases and decrease the organ's filtering abilities. Cherries also play a significant role in controlling uric acid levels in the blood, a major contributor to kidney stones and gout. By maintaining lower uric acid levels, cherries help prevent the formation of crystals in the kidneys, which may lead to stones and exacerbate kidney problems. Moreover, cherries contain dietary fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health. A healthy digestive system may reduce the kidney's workload by efficiently eliminating waste products and preventing constipation, which may negatively affect kidney health. For those looking to integrate cherries into their diet for kidney health, a daily serving of about 1 cup of fresh cherries or half a cup of dried cherries is recommended. 5. Pineapple. Pineapple stands out in the fruit world for its kidney-friendly properties, primarily due to bromelain, an enzyme unique to this tropical fruit. Bromelain aids in reducing inflammation, a common enemy of kidney health. Chronic inflammation may lead to high blood pressure and damage to kidney tissues. Thus, incorporating pineapple into one's diet may mitigate these risks, preserving kidney function and structure. Additionally, pineapples are a good source of manganese, a mineral important for metabolism and overall health. Magnesium is particularly noteworthy for kidney health, as it plays a role in preventing the formation of kidney stones. A diet high in magnesium may help reduce the risk of developing certain types of kidney stones. The hydration factor of pineapple, due to its high water content, should not be underestimated. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney health, aiding in the elimination of waste and toxins through urine, thus preventing kidney stones and keeping the urinary tract clear. Incorporating about half a cup to 1 cup of pineapple into your daily diet ensures you receive the beneficial nutrients without overindulging in sugar, aligning with overall kidney health and maintenance. 6. Lemons. Lemons are potent allies for kidney health, primarily due to their high citric acid content. This key component prevents the formation of kidney stones by increasing urine volume and binding calcium in the urine, thereby reducing the risk of calcium stone development. According to a study involving 203 patients, administering 60 milliliters of lime juice twice daily might prevent stone recurrence in patients with calcium oxalate nephrolithiasis. Moreover, the high vitamin C content found in lemons supports the immune system, which in turn helps the kidneys operate without the added stress of battling infections. In addition to acting as an antioxidant, vitamin C also shields the kidneys from potential free radical harm. Furthermore, lemons may aid in detoxifying the body, which indirectly benefits the kidneys. They help enhance the body's ability to naturally flush out toxins, reducing the load on the kidneys. This detoxification support may help maintain healthy kidney function and prevent the buildup of unwanted substances in the kidneys. Adding the juice of half to 1 whole lemon to water, teas, or other beverages offers a refreshing way to support kidney function without overloading the body with excessive sugar or calories. 7. Papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids digestion and prevents the buildup of toxins in the gut that could otherwise strain the kidneys. By promoting better digestive health, papaya ensures that the kidneys are not overloaded with toxic substances and may perform their filtering functions more efficiently. Additionally, the enzymes found in papayas, such as papain and chymopapain, have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation may contribute to kidney damage and exacerbate existing kidney conditions. By reducing inflammation, papayas may potentially support kidney health and function. Moreover, compared to other tropical fruits, papayas have relatively low levels of potassium, which makes them suitable for people with kidney problems who need to manage their potassium intake to prevent hyperkalemia. High potassium levels in the blood. Hyperkalemia may be dangerous for individuals with compromised kidney function, as their kidneys are less able to remove excess potassium from the blood. Studies show that the kidney-protecting effects of papaya fruit seeds, especially when they are not fully ripe, may be because they act as antioxidants and scavenge oxidative free radicals. For those looking to incorporate papaya into their diet for its kidney benefits, a daily serving of half to 1 small papaya is advisable. 8. Bananas. Bananas are well known for their high potassium content, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy kidney function. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, aids in muscle function, and helps maintain a normal heart rhythm. In the kidneys, potassium assists in regulating the balance of fluids and electrolytes, as well as in the filtration of blood. Proper levels of potassium are essential for maintaining the electrical gradient necessary for kidney cells to function effectively. A 2019 study that included more than 5,000 people with early-stage chronic kidney disease linked potassium intake with lower blood pressure and a slower progression of kidney disease. Moreover, bananas are a source of antioxidant compounds, such as dopamine and catechins. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, conditions that may lead to kidney damage over time. By combating these harmful processes, bananas may indirectly support kidney function and overall health. For those with healthy kidneys, 1 medium-sized banana per day is typically considered safe and beneficial. However, for those with kidney issues, consulting with a healthcare provider for personalized advice is crucial to balance the benefits with potential potassium-related risks. 9. Oranges. Primarily, the high vitamin C content in oranges acts as an antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, conditions that, if unchecked, may lead to kidney damage. Moreover, oranges contain soluble fiber, which may help lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol may lead to atherosclerosis, a condition where the blood vessels become clogged and hardened, reducing blood flow to the kidneys. The kidneys are heavily reliant on a consistent and clean blood supply to filter and remove waste from the body. By lowering cholesterol levels, oranges may help ensure that blood flows freely to the kidneys, supporting their function. In addition to their vitamin and mineral content, oranges are a good source of citrate, which may help prevent the formation of kidney stones by reducing the crystallization of uric acid and calcium oxalate, common constituents of kidney stones. A study of 194,095 people found that those who consumed orange juice at least once daily had a 12% lower risk of developing kidney stones than those who drank less than 1 serving a week. A daily consumption of 1 medium-sized orange is generally recommended, without overloading the body with potassium. 10. Peaches. Peaches contribute to kidney health through their rich nutrient profile, offering hydration and antioxidants. Carotenoids extracted from peaches using ionic liquids may support kidney health by displaying antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which may protect against damage and inflammation. Furthermore, peaches contain bioactive compounds, including phenolic compounds like flavonoids. These compounds may improve endothelial function, which is the ability of blood vessels to dilate and contract. Improved endothelial function leads to better blood flow and lower blood pressure. High blood pressure may lead to damage to the blood vessels throughout the body, including those in the kidneys. When the kidneys' blood vessels are damaged, they may not function properly, leading to a decrease in the kidney's ability to filter waste from the blood. For maintaining kidney health, incorporating peaches into the diet may be beneficial. A daily consumption limit of 1 medium-sized peach is recommended for most individuals. This amount provides nutritional benefits while keeping potassium intake in check, supporting overall kidney function without overburdening the system.